Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheesecake at home. First, let's create the perfect foundation. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Combine these ingredients thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, extending about 1 inch up the sides. Bake this crust for 10 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit to set it beautifully. Next, we'll craft the luscious filling. Start with 2 pounds of softened cream cheese and 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, beating them until perfectly smooth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of sour cream for richness. Then, gently mix in 4 large eggs, one at a time, being careful not to overmix. Remember, having all your ingredients at room temperature is key for a wonderfully smooth, lump-free batter. Now, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the creamy filling over your prepared crust. To prevent cracks and ensure even cooking, we'll use a water bath. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan, then add hot water to the roasting pan, filling it about halfway up the sides of the springform pan. Bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 75 minutes, until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. The cooling process is crucial for a perfect cheesecake. Once baked, turn off your oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door slightly ajar for 1 hour. This gradual cooling prevents cracking. After that, remove it from the water bath and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Finally, chill your cheesecake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or ideally overnight. Garnish with your favorite toppings, like fresh berries, and enjoy your homemade, delicious cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.